Hello, and welcome to my new video. Today, in this video, we will be discussing how to speed up your low-end Windows PC. Moving on to the first step. Press Windows plus R and type temp and press enter. These all are the temporary files which are acquiring free space in your PC. Press Shift plus delete to permanently delete all the files. Moving on to the second step. Again, press Windows plus R and type %temp%. These all are also the temporary files, so again, press Windows plus R to permanently delete. Moving on to the third step. Again, press Windows plus R and type sysdm.cpl. A new window will pop up, and then go to Advanced option and press Settings in the Performance option, and then Enable Adjust for best performance. Click on the Apply button and press OK to save the changes. Moving on to the fourth step. Go to Windows and search for CMD and press Run as administrator. After it is opened, type DISM /online/cleanup, image /CHECKHEALTH and press Enter. Don't worry, I will give this command in the pinned comment and also in description. Moving on to the fifth and last step. Go to the Task Manager. Then go to Startup Apps and disable the unwanted apps to enhance the performance. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video and not forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos.